product every month.
Right. And so, just very quickly before we move on to the next segment, could you tell us very briefly, for those who are watching, who might want to consider direct selling as a business model for their own company, how would you describe the operations very quickly?
Well,
where does the success come from? Is the product, the people, or how does it go?
It encompasses everything. Number one, if you want to be successful in direct selling, you need to find the right company. Company with the right product, with the right compensation system, with the right training program. So even though you're a good salesman, if you join a company that doesn't have a product that will last long, there's a bigger chance for you to fail. So it's a totality. It encompasses the strength of the organization and the strength of the person joining the business. It's not easy to build direct selling business, right? It's not a business that only involves selling. It's developing leaders, developing people. If I want to grow in the direct selling business, my job is not only to sell product. My job is to train other people on how to build leaders. So it's leadership development.